I'm going to be showing you how to fix profile photos not loading or showing blank in Hinge. To fix blank or not loading photos on Hinge, there are some things that you can try. So the first thing to do is to log out and log back in. Just go ahead and open your Hinge app first. It's right there. After you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see the gear icon. Scroll all the way down till you find log out right above delete or pause account. So just go ahead and tap on log out and just log back in again and see if it works. So the second thing to do is to restart the app altogether. Just close the Hinge app completely and then reopen it to see if the photos load correctly. So there are some basic things you can look for, like internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as a poor connection can prevent photos from loading. Make sure you have app permissions. So Hinge needs access to your device's photo library or camera to display photos. Check your device settings to confirm that Hinge has necessary permissions granted. So in this way you can successfully fix these problems. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.